How to delete your Facebook account. Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how you're easily able to delete your Facebook account in just a few simple steps. So, the very first thing you want to do is open up Facebook. And once you open Facebook up, make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Then find the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. And then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on the drop down. And then you can find Settings menu over here on top. Once you head over to Settings, you will find your Account Center right on top. Go ahead and tap on See More in Account Center. And once your Account Center opens up, you basically want to go over to Personal Details. Now you'll see your account ownership and control over here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then you have two options. The first one is memorialization, so you can decide what happens to your main Facebook profile after you pass away. And then you have deactivation or deletion. Tap on second option. Now you have to choose which account you want to deactivate or delete. I'll just continue with my main Facebook profile. And you'll be offered two options again. The first one is to deactivate account. So deactivating is temporary and you can always come back. Only your name and profile photos will be removed from most of the things that you've shared, and you'll be able to continue using Messenger. But if you want to delete your account permanently, you need to choose the second option. Tap on the radio checkbox down below, and once you select the radio button, you can see here when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you've added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you've added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Now, if you're sure you want to continue, tap on the continue button. And then from here, you can see that all of the pages that you've created from your Facebook account will also be deleted. Let's tap on continue again. Now you are able to select a reason. So what I can do is just go ahead and select another option here. Or if you don't want to select anything, that's fine as well. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. And then from here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on continue one more time. Now you'll be asked to enter your profile password for security reasons. Enter your password, tap on continue, and your account will be deleted permanently. You still have an option to recover your account for 30 days, so if you log back in, you should be able to recover your account without any problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.